What's up, everybody? We are officially 1 month away from literally the best Congress in the world. So it's going to be a special weekend, one, because these people are never probably going to be on the stage together again. Like, this is crazy, crazy bill. But what we want to really express is why the students should come to this event. I know it's a little bit pricey, $699. However, you're going to see things that is going to be a weekend built around integration. A modern chiropractor or a modern PT, a modern musculoskeletal health professional, you need to be able to mix and match and combine all these things together. So not only are we going to talk about manipulation on this weekend, we're going to see hands-on demos from Michael Shacklock talking about how the peripheral nervous system works, how it interacts with different things like fascia, which is where Antonio Stecco comes into play. We're going to talk about how the muscular system comes into play and how it can compress on nerves to cause musculoskeletal pain and dysfunction. That's where Dr. Leahy's going to come in, the founder of ART, active release technique. Brett Winchester is going to talk about how we can change motor programming to actually affect the musculature, the fascia, and then just the overall coordination of the things around these peripheral nerves to have an effect on them. Every patient you're going to see is going to have some sort of issue with the nervous system. That could be reflected in multiple different directions, whether that's a disc herniation, spinal stenosis. Oh, by the way, Dr. William Morgan is going to talk about how he can actually interpret MRIs for us, interpret how the central components are affecting peripherals. All of these things come together for one weekend. So yes, there's going to be a lot of lectures in this, but there's also a big chunk of time both on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday that is built around demonstrations and hands-on. And so Brett and I are going to talk about manipulation. We're going to talk about how to actually diagnose and assess our patients, when and where to palpate and to adjust. That's going to be amazing. We're going to also have all these speakers together in different forms to actually do demonstrations together so you can see how they assess, how they don't assess, how they come together with treatment, and kind of their way of thinking with all this together. So if you're a student looking to get exposed to multiple different things such as pain science with Annie O'Connor, DNS, motion palpation, active release, neurodynamics, like all of these things are going to be a great window into not only how to do it, but what we're actually doing when we do it. So I can't wait to see you all at Parker University in Dallas, November 3rd through the 5th. It's going to be an amazing weekend. I guarantee we have some fun, and I guarantee you walk away thinking, wow, that was worth it. And we can't wait to see you guys there. For more information, gestaltedu.com/courses. It's all there, big banner in the middle. We have everything there. So anyway, guys, I can't wait to see you at Parker University in Dallas, and we'll talk to you soon.